Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be an overview video on a solar powered fence charger that we have sold a customer. They bought a couple different units from us. They bought a Power Wizard PW100S and PW200S. These Power Wizard units are pretty good. We don't get them in for repair, at least not their solar ones. We get their plug-in ones in, but they probably sell more of them, and plus they're hooked up to AC power, so you get risk of AC power surges on the AC side, where solar ones, you have to worry about that. There's no AC coming into it, so you have to worry about surges or anything. But most times when we get these solar Power Wizard units in, they're like 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 years old. I mean, usually they've gone through 2, 3 batteries by then. But these are pretty good units. So if you'd like one from us, we're an independent shop. We're mostly into fixing things. But on occasion, someone will ask us if we sell stuff, and Power Wizard is one brand that we have access to selling. This is their PW200S. It's a 0.2 output joule unit. They do carry a 2-year warranty on them. They got a 12-volt battery on the inside. They have a couple different mounting options for it. They've got a T-post mount for it, and you can also have some little hanger things on the back built into the case that you can screw some screws to a wood post or a wall or whatever, and you can hang it from that. But these are American-made products out of Ohio. They're made by a company called Agritronics out of Ohio. But pretty good units. So they carry a 2-year warranty. They're a 0.2 or more. I thought it was 0.25. output joules, not stored. So this might be kind of comparable to like a Gallagher S40 when it comes to power, because Gallagher rates their stuff in stored joules versus output. So this is 0.25 output joules, so it's probably like 0.4 give or take stored. But they are made here in the States, so up in Ohio. But pretty good. We're gonna pop this case apart, or this packaging apart, real quick. It's not stapled, just kind of pressed to get these little tabs. Now when you get one of these, they do come with a battery, but the battery is not connected, so you have to open it up and connect the battery up from the get-go. It even talks about that, says it right here. Energizer will not operate until battery is connected. It tells you, okay, look at the manual, it tells you how to change it. It also has this little thing up here that you can talks about it as well, so you have to peel that off. But to get to the battery, I believe you open up, you take these 4 screws out, this one, and these 2 here, and this cover pops off, and the battery hides in there. And I think there may or may not be little covers on the battery terminals, but there are. You just pop them off. Has a black and a red wire. You plug black to black, red to red. Those look like spade, female, male spade connectors. It does come with the hardware to mount it to a T-post. It does come with the hardware for that, and it explains in the manual how to install all that. It does have 3 mounting holes here, one there, one there, and one there, so you can mount it to a fence post or whatever. So let's see what this thing says. It's designed to do 20 miles or 50 acres of this is single wire fence rating, so you got to remember to take that with a grain of salt. This is also single wire clean fence and high tensile wires where they get these ratings from. But I would say on multi-wire fence, probably do 20-25 acres with it, a multi-wire setup. But they are portable, so you can move them around from spot to spot as you need to. They are repairable. They're not throwaway units. I've never, in all the years of working on these things, I've never ever seen a solar panel go bad. Occasionally the battery's got to be changed out, which is pretty easy to do. They're not a special battery. They're a little 12-volt little box battery. You can get those from, you can buy one from us if we need to get you one, or you can go on Batteries Plus or go on Amazon or wherever. You can buy a battery for them. So but they're easy to work on, so if you ever have to get them worked on, I mean, they got 2-year warranty, but if it's out of warranty, we're happy to either fix it for you, or if you want to order the parts, do it yourself. They're pretty easy to work on. They're not no soldering involved. It's all plug and play. I think it's there's 2 parts or 1 part to on the inside besides the battery, so they're pretty straightforward. They're not a computer that you're working on. They're pretty old school, modulated on the inside, so they make it kind of convenient for repairs. But I like them. I just don't see them coming very often. So if you want a pretty good, reliable fence charger that's not over the hill when it comes to price, and look at a Power Wizard unit. I mean, they might make another size bigger than this, and I know they make a couple sizes smaller than this as well. And they make a handful, I don't know, probably a dozen plug-in units, from little bitty, little half joule smaller units all the way to a 24 output joule unit. And they make ones that are remote control and non-remote control on their some of their AC models. And they make a few battery units as well. But some of the plug-in units carry a 3-year warranty, but I think the solar ones carry a 2-year. But they're good units. I don't have any complaints on them at all. I mean, they're easy to deal with when it comes to customer service. If you ever got a problem, you're welcome to call them up and have a chat with them about their stuff. They'll work with you on everything. But if you ever want us to work on a fence charger for you, we're mostly into repairs, and that's what we primarily do. But occasionally someone will ask us, "Hey, do you sell fence chargers?" I'm like, "Yeah, on occasion we do. What are you looking for?" And we'll kind of talk shop a little bit, try to figure out what's going to work best for you. And we can sell, I don't know, about 2 or 3 brands that we can really sell. We don't really go out of our way to stock a bunch of stuff, but if someone's ever interested, send it on in here, or we'll get you one and get you a price on one. I can't always guarantee I'm going to be the cheapest, when it comes to selling you a fence charger, but at least you're going to, get a pretty good price, and they're going to support a small independent shop like us versus a box store, an online store, or whatever. We're a repair shop by trade. We're a mom and pop shop. That's what we do, is fix things mostly, but occasionally someone will want us to get them on fence charger, so that's what we did for this customer. We give them a price on a couple units, and they pull the trigger on it, and we order them up, and we're going to ship these out to them. So, but yep, good fence charger. So look them up. Power Wizard PW200S. That's this model, but they make size bigger, I believe, and a couple sizes, 2 or 3 sizes smaller. And they're all pretty portable friendly. Once you get the bracket mounted on there for the T-post, it's pretty much, we can put on the T-post whatever you want, or screw it to a wood post if you want a more permanent setup. You can mount it to a wood post if you wanted to, or side of the building. If you got a side of the building, you can mount it to. But anyways, we'll talk to you later on, and until next time, we'll see you later on.